gonna take that window, get to work. All right, let's see if we can't peel some of that black off so we can start the process. Maybe get some of that as well. We're gonna use a heat gun and we're going to warm it up and see if we can't just scrape it. So, figured safety first. Since I didn't have it with my, what do you call it? Fire almost killing us thing the other time. Here goes nothing. Okay, let's try this out. I'm gonna try some of the welding. I have never done this before. This is my first time. I don't even really know the settings. We're just gonna go and play around with it a little bit until we figure out how it works, and then we're gonna use it. So, here we go. So I got this thing off my local Facebook marketplace, and I think I got it for like 30 bucks, and it's normally $100 on Amazon. So I figured, hey, let's grab it real quick. We'll try this out. This is stinky. I think it's gonna work for what I'm just gonna tack. That's what I'm trying to do. Well, that turned out a lot better than I expected it to. Well, not the look of it, but how quickly it was to go together. Again, you guys could go ahead and let me know what I was doing wrong throughout the whole thing, because I was probably keeping this. Oh man, I've got. All right, let's get the steering wheel switched out. Here's a stupid thing. Well, out with the old and in with the old, I guess is what it is. All right, we did it. We got her in there. As you can see, it's back in. The old, back in with the old. And now we'll go put this window in that spot right there, because that is missing a window. And then it's bodywork time, at least for now, just to switch things up for a bit. And then we'll tidy up the inside real nice when that's done. Well, shall we test her out? See if that shifter stays in place, goes down the road a little bit. Here we go.